In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Photoshop Actions quickly and correctly so you can start using them right away to speed up your editing workflow. If you've ever downloaded an action pack and weren't sure where to put the file or how to load it into Photoshop, don't worry, this guide will walk you through the exact steps, and if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and look at the top menu bar. Click on Window. This is where Photoshop keeps many of its panels and tools, including the Actions panel. From the drop-down list, select Actions. Once you click that, the Actions panel will open on your workspace. If it's already open, you'll be able to see your current action sets right away. Now that the Actions panel is visible, look at the top right corner of that panel. You'll see a small menu icon with 4 horizontal lines. Click that icon to open the panel menu. This menu gives you access to several action-related options, including loading new actions into Photoshop. From the menu that appears, click on Load Actions. This is the option you need to import the action file you downloaded. After selecting it, a file browser window will pop up on your screen. At this point, you need to navigate to the folder on your computer where your downloaded assets are saved. Most often, your actions will be in a Downloads folder, a zipped project folder, or a separate folder you created for Photoshop resources. Find the action file you want to install. Photoshop Actions usually come as a file with the .atn extension. Make sure you select the correct .atn file, because that is the actual action file Photoshop can read. If your download came in a zipped folder, you may need to extract it first before you can see the .atn file. Once you've selected the .atn file, click the Load button at the bottom of the file browser window. Photoshop will import the action automatically, and in just a moment, the new action folder will appear inside your Actions panel. This means the action has been successfully installed and is now ready to use. To run the action, simply click the little arrow beside the action folder to expand it. Then select the specific action you want to use. After that, click the triangle play icon at the bottom of the Actions panel, and Photoshop will begin applying the action steps automatically. Depending on the action, you may be asked to make a few choices along the way, but the process is usually very fast and simple. If you installed more than one action, you can repeat the same process for each .atn file. Just go back to the panel menu, choose Load Actions again, and import the next file. This makes it easy to build a full library of creative effects, workflow shortcuts, and editing presets inside Photoshop. And that's it. You've now learned how to install Photoshop Actions and use them in your projects. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a huge amount of time when editing photos. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.